Hey, welcome to Baby Cook That Thang. Today we're making garlic, lemon, chicken. If you're new here, please consider subscribing for really cool videos. Okay, so this recipe calls for a lot of lemon and a lot of garlic and a lot of oregano. So very simply, just take 5 to 6 large lemons and squeeze them. Okay, I don't think we need to do a whole tutorial on squeezing lemons because you just squeeze the lemon. But squeeze all these lemons and then take out any seeds so you don't chomp on them when you're gonna eat your chicken. And after you're done squeezing your 6, 7 huge lemons, what did I say, 5, 6, 6, 7, whatever, a lot of lemons, okay? Then take an entire thing of garlic. What do you call that? Not a head of garlic with like the 10, 20 cloves of garlic. After you crush all those in there, take like, I don't know what this is, but maybe like 50 grams of oregano. I'll get the actual amount in the description. And like seriously, like an insane amount of oregano. And then add some salt, obviously, very important. And this is it. This is the simplest recipe in the world. Now, I want to just tell you guys, this is not my recipe. Okay, this is Chef John's recipe from Food Wishes. I just had to say that from the offset. But he adds a bit more stuff. He adds some vinegar, I think some black pepper, something like that. But I wanted to keep it as simple as possible. So just these ingredients, and I think it's not missing anything. It's amazing. So anyway, so after you're done adding the 5 to 6 lemons, all that oregano and the garlic, add your chicken. So why am I shaking the camera there? A little shaky shake. Just pretend that's not happening. Pretend there's a little earthquake. Now, well, now that I said that, I can't even stop focusing on it. Okay, so forget I ever said that. Okay, put in all your chicken. This was, 5 thighs and 5 legs, and mix it very well. Make sure all that is incorporated. You can even marinate it before, but I'm always in a rush because I'm cooking quickly and I want to eat, as you guys know. So just let it go in the oven, 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit, if I'm not mistaken. And after about 30 minutes, set it on broil, as you saw me do there, and put the chicken on the topmost part of the oven. Because, almost dropped it there. So the reason we want to get our chicken in the highest shelf is because we want to get this skin crispy as heck, because that's going to take your chicken to the next level. Set your oven on the highest temperature it goes, and after 10 more minutes, look at this chicken. So good. Oh my God, do you see how brown we got this skin? We crisped it up like nobody's business. That's what that last stage does. So I had to take 3 pieces because it looks so freaking good. So I'll be honest, this is gonna be a brutally honest opinion, okay? We don't need a fork, honestly. Okie dokie. Karaoke, always hot as freaking heck. Oh, wowzers. Okay, I'm being honest. Really, really honest. This is out of this world amazing. I hope you guys aren't stopping to believe me, after all these videos, everything that I'm making. I'm like, oh, this is so good, but it really is really, really good. Garlic, lemon, and oregano. It's such a good, combination of flavors. Incredible. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Sorry. Woo-hoo. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna swallow. Please subscribe if you want to see more recipes, and hit the bell. Click on the bell so you can get notifications whenever I make another one. And if you have suggestions for other stuff you want to see, please comment down below. Bye-bye.